10 things every car owner should know. Regular maintenance schedule. Familiarize yourself with your vehicle's maintenance schedule outlined in the owner's manual. This includes oil changes, filter replacements, and other routine checks. Fluid levels. Understand how to check and maintain essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. Tire care. Know how to check tire pressure regularly and understand the correct inflation levels. Rotate and balance your tires as recommended for even wear. Battery basics. Learn how to check your battery's condition, clean the terminals, and recognize signs of a weakening battery. Understand how to jumpstart your car if needed. Emergency kit. Keep a basic emergency kit in your car, including items like a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, and essential to understanding warning lights. Be familiar with the meaning of common dashboard warning lights. Ignoring these warnings can lead to more significant issues. Changing a flat tire. Learn how to change a flat tire. Make sure your spare tire is in good condition and you have the necessary tools to perform a tire change. Brake system awareness. Understand the signs of worn-out brakes and know how to check brake fluid levels. Regularly inspect brake pads and rotors. Basic car parts and functions. Have a basic understanding of essential car components, including the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. This knowledge can help you communicate effectively with mechanics. Fuel efficiency tips. Follow fuel-efficient driving practices, such as maintaining a steady speed, reducing unnecessary idling, and keeping your vehicle well maintained. This can save you money on fuel costs.